Hello and welcome back to DIY with Michelle. In today's video, I just wanted to share with you briefly my garden. As you can see, I have some tomatoes, some sweet pepper here. I have beans back here on this row and they are doing pretty well. I have tomatoes. And I just wanted to share this video because you can do it yourself as well. These are more sweet peppers. Some people call them bell peppers. Back there are onion that I have cut, and I see I left one, so I'll get that. I'll get it right now. So I'm going to make some spaghetti, and I'm going to use onion, the green onion, and basil in my spaghetti on today. So here's my basil. I'm going to cut some of the leaves off, and I tell you guys, it's nothing like your own fresh vegetables and herbs. So I'm just going to cut a few leaves off. You cut these off as they grow. Just snip them off with some scissors or pinch them with your fingers, and the plant will continue to grow. So I'm going to keep snipping here. So as you can see now, I've brung them indoors and I'm just going to rinse them off. They do have a lot of sand on them from me watering my garden in the past. So you do have to rinse them well. You'll see that there's a lot of debris that has accumulated at the bottom of my bowl, but just continue to wash and change the water out. And I did this probably about 5 times, just washing, changing the water, and washing again, just back and forth. But I tell you, the reward is great, so it really wasn't a big deal for me. And you've seen all that sand in the bottom, but you just continue to wash as I did. If you decide to grow your own herbs or vegetables, just continue to wash until the water gets clear. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching.